everyone! Today I'll show you a brand new, free way to convert text into speech using Google AI Studio. And you can do it right from your phone. If you are new here, my name is Mavumbi, and warm welcome to Easy Tutorials AI. Let's dive in.
Hi there. I'm not a real person. I'm an AI voice created in just seconds using Google AI Studio.
Pretty cool, right? That voice you just heard was 100% AI generated. And in this video, I'll show you how you can turn your text into speech completely free using just your phone. First, open your mobile browser and head over to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Gmail account so you can access the tools.
Here, and you click this one here, and once you're here, make sure you log in with Google. Make sure you log in with Google. Once you're here, this is going to be your dashboard. Let me show you. This is going to be your dashboard. This is our dashboard here. Okay, so now we are looking for native speech generation. So click this one here, and once you're here, there's a tool here. There's the multiple speaker and single speaker. So let's find the single speaker. That's what we need. This is clear. This one is single speaker here. Click this one here, and once you're here, this is going to be your dashboard. So here you can put your text, your text you want to convert this into speech or audio. Okay, so once we come here, let me see, space our text here. Let's go our text here now. Now once you here, come here. Let's go back here. See here, we need to choose who is going to read our script. They give you loads here. See here, you have load to choose from female, male, from exciting, youth. They go all this one here, okay, to choose from. So we can come and listen by one.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
Okay, let's listen another one.
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
What kind of problem could we solve?
Okay, so once you are already here, once you are already happy with voice you want to use, so you click this voice. Let's say,
what do you want to explore?
Okay, so I'm going to click this one. You can see here voice has already been selected, and come back here. So now once you finish it, just come click run. Click run here. It's going to start to create our speech. Okay, let's give a few minutes.
Want your own Pixar style 3D avatars that look, talk, and move like me? I've created a prompt pack that lets you generate amazing characters in seconds. Grab it now. The link's in the description below.
Want to turn your text into natural-sounding speech for free? Let's do it in under 2 minutes using Google AI Studio, right on your phone.
And that's it. You've done it. You already finished this one. Come here, click this one here, and click download. Once you are download, your audio is going to be in your phone, ready to be used.
And that's how I made the voice you heard at the beginning of this video. Try it yourself. Google AI Studio makes text-to-speech free, fast, and super easy. Remember to subscribe and grab your Pixar-style 3D animated prompt pack to create stunning avatars for your YouTube channel or your ads. The link is in description below. Thank you. This is Mivumbi from Easy Tutorials AI. Take care.